Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel, and we're going to be unboxing something completely random, and that is Dragon's Lair, the complete series. This is the Hanna-Barbera Classic Collection, and yes, they made a Dragon's Lair TV series. Now, for those of you who are not aware of what Dragon's Lair is, it's a interactive FMV video game that was created by Don Bluth, where basically you press the right buttons at the right time of the screen to get the animation to move in a certain direction. If you do it properly, you move on. And if you don't, you die. Now, it was ironically one of the few games that actually seemed like it would be great for a TV series, although it should be noted Don Bluth himself did not have anything to do with this. And you can even kind of see like the animation on the front doesn't look like Don Bluth's drawings. It kind of looks like the characters for the most part, although the princess definitely has been de-sexified, if you know what I mean. But otherwise, it doesn't have much to do with the video games. On the back, you see some of the animation clips. You know, the animation's not bad for Hanna-Barbera. Now, this is a manufactured on-demand DVD. So if you're wondering like, well, I haven't heard of this show, the answer is a lot of people haven't. That's why it's manufactured on DVD. So let's open it. Let's kind of take a look at what you get. And by the way, whenever you get a manufacturer on DVD release, I don't necessarily say don't trust these releases. I do support buying them if that is the only legal way to do it. But since it is a DVD-R usually that they put them on, please back them up on your hard drive just to be on the safe side. So let's open here, and we actually have some pretty nice labels here, but as you can see, DVD download. So when you look at the back, oh, yep, they're definitely burnables. The label's pretty nice, though. I mean, I like the different shades of purple. 1 to 5 is on one disc, 6 to 13 is on another disc. I kind of wonder if it might not have been better to put them all on one disc, but I don't know. There's no artwork on the back, as you can see. This doesn't feel like a manufacturer on DVD, though. Like it actually feels pretty sturdy. I know you can't feel that, but you're just watching it. But yeah, it actually feels fairly sturdy. So, yep, this is another addition to the Hanna-Barbera collection for me. Here's the thing. I don't know if they're actually still manufacturing these. I actually got mine on eBay. So this had been in someone's collection for a while. And I would double check just to make sure, but this might be the only way to get this from now on is from eBay sellers. I have even more mixed feelings about buying MODs from eBay sellers, even if they are the official ones, because again, you don't know how they're storing them and things like that. And, you know, I mean, there's definitely some case to be made against just outright pirating stuff that's on a DVD-R, but I still like to buy the official releases. So there it was. For the record, this wasn't expensive. This was like $10, so it's not, even though it might technically be rare, I don't think it's in very high demand. But anyway, I would like to know, have you seen this show? Do you have this set? What do you think about it? I'd love to know, so comment below, and I'll see you at the movies. Take care, everyone. Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters, and I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running, and of course is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to, it is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, you know, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.